Hey, it's M here, and this is my
Good Carb Diet Recipes PLR review.
And of course, if you're looking for the most amazing bonuses you can get with this, well, stay tuned because I've got an incredible bonus bundle worth around about $12,000. So you are not going to want to miss this bonus bundle. Anyway, let's get into the review.
Welcome. You are about to get instant access to our Good Carb Diet recipes to help you prepare delicious diet, eat healthy, stay vibrant, and strong on a daily basis. Inside the Good Carb Diet recipes, you will get instant access to over 350 different food recipes, tip and lesson on how to prepare different low-carb diet, stay healthy and energetic. But that's not all. The best part is that you'll get access to everything on this page today. This also comes with a full unrestricted use rights opportunity. Inside this ebook guide, you will discover herbed yogurt cheese, Mediterranean grilled vegetable soup, marinated yogurt cheese, roasted tomato soup, Mediterranean roasted fish, scampi with broccoli, broccoli cauliflower salad, and many more. Everyone loves good food. With that being said, you will be getting our Good Carb Diet recipes for only $12 with full unrestricted use rights.
So if that has got you excited and you want to get instant access to it right now, and you want even more bonuses, the ones I promised you earlier, well, let me show you what I'm going to give you if you grab this through my link. You'll see my link somewhere down here. But yeah, this is worth over $12,000 for these bonuses, and these bonuses, I use them in my businesses, and I'm going to show you what we're going to get access to. The first thing you're going to get access to is the groundbreaking 24-hour ranking system. This is amazing. I'll just go through the different things you're going to get. That's worth $997. The unlimited private weekly coaching with the guy you see in this in these photos here. That's Paul, who is one of the best marketers and knows how to get you on Google and YouTube for free. Basically free Google ads, basically. So unlimited private weekly coaching with Paul. And he brings some special guests on as well. You're gonna get your own bonus package to give away. If you ever want to do any affiliate marketing with bonuses as well, you can get access to a bonus package you can give away, which makes people really want to grab your stuff. And of course, the 4-day Google ranking challenge. This is a way that you can get up and running, and shows you how easy, if you know the ways to rank your YouTube videos, and those YouTube videos will also then get ranked on Google. And this is a super 4-day challenge. It's just step by step. In 4 days, you will know how to rank. I mean, you can do it all in one day, but you can do it in a few hours. But actually, just going a simple step each day for 4 days. That challenge is amazing because you can fit this into your schedule, whether you're a full-time worker, a part-time worker, or it's on a weekend. It's super easy to slip in your schedule. So you're going to get that. So if you want to have a quick look through more of what those things are, there you go. The groundbreaking 24-hour ranking system. Yeah, there's what it says basically. Google are actively looking for us to claim free ads to grow your business. A lot of the gurus are ignoring this kind of free ad method. There's a lot of paid traffic, but it's great to get free traffic. And these things will bring you free ads for years. Place anything on Google in positions 1, 2, 3, and 4 in under 24 hours. Woohoo! Sounds good, hey. And there's just all the formulas to do that, so it's really good. Like I said, there's a big package you can give away yourself. So if you are giving away stuff to other people for any products you want to promote, I'll let you can see all this when you hit the link anyway. But this is fantastic. The weekly coaching alone is just worth so much. You're going to get gold nuggets every week, and of course, there's some special guests regularly. About once a month, Paul brings some special guests on as well. So, and there's the Google ranking challenge, which can get on demand. So it doesn't have to be any particular day, but that will give you your first instant Google ranking. So if you want that, grab the product from my review. From my link down below somewhere. And if you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments or contact me, and I will always get back to you. Cheers.